Hello everyone, in this video you will learn how to exploit the Metasploitable 2 machine. First, use the link in the description to download the Metasploitable 2 virtual machine. After downloading, create a new virtual machine in the VirtualBox and import the downloaded file. So you need to extract the folder. So the next step is to configure the network setting. So it is recommended to create your own network and connect both Kali Linux and the Metasploitable machine to the same network. And then start both machines one by one. So after both machines are running, so the next step is to check the IP addresses of both Kali Linux and the Metasploitable machine. And then we will perform the scanning by using the Nmap tool. So we will perform a ping scan, basic port scan, service version scan, operating system detection scan, aggressive scan, and vulnerability scan by using these commands. So after detailed scanning, start Metasploit by opening the terminal and running the MSF console. In Metasploit, we will use the commands to search for exploits, select an exploit and show option, set the target, run the exploit and verify the access. Finally, we will access the root directory of the Metasploitable machine. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe and like the video.